Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, I'm back with another day of the Ninja Speedi, and this time I've got some spare from cooking the kids' dinner last night. We're doing hot dogs. Hot dogs are absolutely delicious in the Ninja Speedi using the grill setting. And what's interesting is I've often had readers come to me and say that when they first got a microwave, when they first became popular, the number one food that everybody cooked in them to learn to see how the microwave worked was actually hot dogs. And funny thing is, I've never had a hot dog in the microwave. Maybe I should try that one, who knows, hey? So you can do whatever sized hot dogs you want. There'll be a debate here, I know there will, because I find it interesting that in the UK and in Europe they're packaged differently than how they are in the US. In the US they seem to be flat packed, whereas here it's jars or cans is how we get them. The cheap versions the can, the expensive versions the jars. I just so happened to see some of these and I thought I haven't had these big ones for ages, so let's do these. So if they are rather large, then you'll need to put them on the diagonal. By that I mean like that, so that you can fit them in. And I've got 3 buns, so I'm going to do 3 hot dogs. I know, a weird amount. You could of course fit more than that in there. It's just that because we did some for the kids last night, these are just our own personal leftovers. So once your hot dogs are in, we can set the time and temp. And of course, these hot dogs, the time and temperature are coming from our new multi-cooker time and temp guide. It's out now on pre-order, and it's just brilliant for learning the different settings of the Speedi and knowing what time and temperature to cook your food for. So don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to pre-order yourself a copy. So back to the recipe. So lid down on the Ninja Speedi. So another great from my multi-cooker cooking guide is hot dogs. Hot dogs are done using the grill setting. So you want to flip it over and make sure you're on grill. 240 Celsius, that's 465 Fahrenheit. And then a cook time of 6 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. And we've beeped, so shall we check on these hot dogs and see how they're doing? Oh yes, look at them babies. They're a brilliant tester so that you can see how your grill function works, because whilst this is based on the Ninja Speedi, you might have a different version. You might have the Ninja 15-in-1, the 6-in-1. One of our regular readers is just about to buy the 7-in-1, you know, so it's a mixture really, isn't it, of the different ones. And the closer you are to the grill, the better the job it does. So that's what I love about the Speedi, because in the top position, like I've got it now, we're closer to the air vents, which is brilliant. So what should we do now? Let's get some tongs and get those hot dogs out, shall we? So tongs at the ready, and I'm just going to put the hot dogs to one side, and then we can warm up the buns. Oh, just take a closer look at those. Don't they look fantastic? So I'm actually using as my chopping board my Ziploc bag, just because I had the spare bread in there, so it's just really, really handy. So then you want to have them sliced open like that, ready to go. And then if you're a cheese fan, oh, I love some mozzarella cheese. You can put this in the bottom before you add in your hot dogs. And then just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to put your hot dog buns in. And then these are really, really quick cooking. So you just need an extra minute. So it's finished its hot dogs, so now we can do the buns. For the buns, Same temperature on grill, 240 Celsius, 465 Fahrenheit. A cook time of just 1 minute to warm them up and then press start. And we're back in 60 seconds. Oh, that was a quick minute. So, shall we grab the buns? And these buns have nicely been toasted now, and I can feel the warmth in them. They just feel lovely. And as you can see, the cheese is almost melted. So we can add back in our hot dogs. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? So rinse and repeat. And then the last one. There's 3 of us at home today because our little ones are at school, so perfect for the 3 of us. Oh, wow, don't they look fantastic? So do you do the sauce? I like a bit of ketchup. There you have it, a nice little bit of ketchup on the hot dog and perfect for learning how to use your kitchen gadgets. Oh, these hot dogs are good. I've got to get some with some ketchup, haven't I? And also, these hot dogs that we used here, they're the same brand of hot dogs that we actually use in the Complete Air Fryer cookbook. When we check out the hot dogs page, then it's using these. So they're just brilliant and a great starting point for learning how to use your Speedi. And we'll see you tomorrow with another one. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.